The ML5 Mutit-Lift is the latest addition to the mobile elevated work platform product line. It's fully equipped for the multitasking required for today's underground trackless mining environment. MacLean mobile elevated work platforms are designed with a focus on safety and productivity, while also emphasizing on ruggedness, durability, and operator comfort. It represents an enhanced version of the widely recognized integrated tool carrier commonly used in the industry, featuring additional capabilities specifically optimized for underground MEWP applications. The ML5 is certified to Australian standards, ISO standards, as well as CSA standards. The in-basket operation allows for a reduced crew size while not having an operator in the cab to operate the boom, while also making it safer as the operators have full control from the basket. The two-person cab reduces the overall fleet size, making it a self-sufficient machine while not having to follow the ML5 with a light vehicle. The versatility of the ML5 includes a quick coupler for timely swap out of attachments, a third and fourth hydraulic functions for additional movements of attachments, as well as dedicated baskets for increased cost savings while not having to have dedicated machines to complete the job. What you see here is the ML5 set up in the center of the drift while having a full face coverage using the boom sleeve. It allows for full face coverage from side to side of the drift. The ML5 is rounding the corner here while the operators are driving from the basket. This is using our RDS, or remote drive system. The RDS is beneficial for continuous operation from the basket without having to get back into the cab to drive the machine. RDS is very beneficial for installing vent bag. This allows the operators to keep the boom raised while continuing down the drive. The boom swing is beneficial for increasing range of motion for getting in tight areas. It has a total of plus or minus 30 degrees for a 6-meter face coverage. To learn more, reach out to us on social media or through email.